So this is a differentiation topic of intermediate first year, exercise number 9A, Telugu Academy textbook. So according to exercise number I am giving each and every problem 9A Telugu Academy textbook. So find the derivative. It's a very easy chapter, but you have to concentrate on this chapter. Chala easy. Please concentrate on this chapter. And weightage is more. 75 out of you are getting 75 out of 90. Sorry, 75 out of 45. 90 out of, if you are getting 90 total without choice, 90 out of 45 in 1B is from his differentiation. 90 low, 90 marks without choice is 90 marks low, 1B low. 45 marks differentiation నుంచి వస్తాయి. Differentiations and differentiations, then applications of differentiations అని ఉంటుంది. Okay నా differentiation, application of differentiations. Okay. Now already నేను formulas పెట్టేశాను. సో ఆ వీడియో ఆల్రెడీ అప్లోడ్ చేసేసాను, ఫార్ములాస్ వీడియోస్. ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ వీడియోస్ వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత చూసిన తర్వాత దీనికి వెళ్ళండి, అప్పుడైతే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది, అర్థం కాదు. ఓకేనా? ఫైండ్ ద డెరివేటివ్ మీన్స్ డిఫరెన్సియేషన్. డెరివేటివ్ మీన్స్ డిఫరెన్సియేషన్. ఫైండ్ ద డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ √x plus 2x power 3/4 plus 3x 5/6. 3 power 3x power 5/6. So solution for this is y equals to, you have to match this, y equals to √x plus 2x 3 power 4 plus 3 power x 5/6. Okay, y equals √x plus 2x 3/4 plus 3x 5 power 5/6. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate. Okay, differentiate with respect to with respect to x. With respect to x. With respect to x, we have to differentiate with respect to x. Means first it will be dy by dx is equals to d by dx of √x plus d by dx of 2x 3/4 plus d by dx of 3x 5 power 6. Okay, now dy by dx is equals to d by dx of √x. Okay, now I'm writing tools here. I'm writing tools. Okay, now formulas, nothing but tool means formulas. Okay, d by dx of √x is equals to 1/2 √x. So d by dx of √x is how much? 1/2 √x. Okay, 1/2 √x. d by dx of 2x 3 power 4. 2x 3/4 means 2 constant, 2 by d పెట్టేసేయాలి. So 2 by d పెట్టేసేయాలి. 2 into d by dx of 3x power 3/4. Okay, plus ఇక్కడ 3 by d పెట్టేసాను. 3 by d పెట్టేసి d by dx of x power 5/6. x power 5/6. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములా వస్తుంది చూడండి. d by dx of x power n, formula is n into x power n minus 1. d by dx of x power 3/4 ఎలా ఉంది? ఇది n షేప్ లో ఉంది. దిస్ ఇస్ n. ఓకేనా? 3/4 is n. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? ఓకేనా? 3/4 into x 3/4 minus 1. సో LCM by 1 పెట్టుకుంటే into 4 into 4. It will be 3/4 into x power 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1/4. Okay, x power minus 1/4. Okay, x power minus 1/4. Okay, now x power minus 1/4. Same as it is d by dx of x power 5/6 is equals to, this is n, 5/6 into x power 5/6 minus 1. LCM into 6 into 6. So answer will be 5 by 6 into x power 5 minus 1. Actually, 5 minus 6. How much? This is 5. 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 6. Okay. Power. X power minus 1 by 6. X power minus 1 by 6. Okay. Substitute చేయండి అదే సేమ్. So dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 root x plus 2 into d by dx of x power 3 by 4. d by dx of x power 3 by 4 is how much? 3 by 4 into x power minus 1 by 4. Okay. ఎలా వచ్చింది? It is in the form of x power n. It is in the form of x and n. Okay, it is in the form of x power n, that is n into x power n minus 1. Okay, 3 by 4 x into minus 1 by 4 plus 3 into 5 by 6 into x power minus 1 by 6. Okay, therefore dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 root x plus 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, 3 by 2 x power minus 1 by 4 plus 3 ones are 3 twos are. 5 by 2 x power minus 1 by 6. Okay, now minus 1 by 6. Okay, you can write this as, you can take 2 2 2. Denominator 20 లో 2 కామన్ ఉంది అని డినామినేటర్ ఏం కామన్ ఉంది? 2 కామన్ ఉంది. సేమ్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. dy by dx is equals to, so ఇక్కడ కామన్ చేద్దాం. ఇక్కడ కామన్ చేద్దాం. dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 కామన్ తీసేస్తే అన్నిటిలోకి వెళ్ళి 2 2 2 కామన్. సో 1 by root x plus 3 into x power minus 1 by 4 plus 5 into x power minus 1 by 6. Okay, or dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by x power 1 by 2. Root x can be written as x power 1 by 2 plus 3 by x power minus 1 by 4 can be written as x power minus 1 can be written as 1 by x. X power minus 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by x power 1 by 4. Okay, minus ఉంటే కిందకి వచ్చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా, మైనస్ ఉంటే కిందకి వచ్చేస్తాం. సో 1 by x power minus 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by x power 1 by 4. So 3 by x power 1 by 4 plus 5 by x power 1 by 6. This is the required derivation. This is the required derivation. dy by dx equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by x power 1 by 2 plus 3 by x power 1 by 4 plus 5 by x power 1 by 6. This is the required derivation. Okay, now I hope you got this. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equals to d by dx of root x equals 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of x power n equals n into x power n minus 1. So d by dx of 3 by 4 ఇది x plus లో ఉంది, n plus 3 by 4 ఉంది. So 3 by 4 into x power 3 by 4 minus 1. So in the LCM by 1. So into 4 into 4. 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 4 is 1 minus 1 by 4. So 3 by 4 x into minus 1 by 4. Same as it is. Okay, now I hope you got this. Okay, next second question. So now I'm going to explain exercise number 9A Telugu Academy textbook, differentiation. So it's topic about differentiation differentiation. It's a topic about differentiation. 9A. Okay, 9A differentiation Telugu academic textbook. I'm going to explain differentiation Telugu academic textbook 9A. First, this is a question. Root 2x minus 3 plus root 7 minus 3x. 7 minus 3x. Okay. Now take this. Right. This is a question. So then solve here. Ela solve. Okay. First, then call y equals. Let's take this as y equals to root 2x minus 3 plus root 7 minus 3x and call. I'm calling y equals root 2x minus 3 plus root 7 minus 3x and call. Okay, y and call them. Now differentiate with respect to x. Then dy by dx is equals to dy by dx. dy by dx differentiation is equals to dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to dy by dx is equals to d by dx of root 2x minus 3 plus d by dx of root 7 minus 3x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x అన్నప్పుడు dy by dx. సో x చేసినప్పుడు dy by dx అవుతుంది. y చేస్తే y 0 అవుతుంది, y 1 అవుతుంది. సో dy by dx. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి అంటే దీనికి టూల్స్, ఇక రాస్తున్నాను టూల్స్ అని. టూల్స్ ఏంటి టూల్స్ అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ ఫార్ములాస్. టూల్స్ ఇక్కడ అక్కడ చేసుకొని ఇక్కడ రాసుకుందాం. టూల్స్ ఏంటి టూల్స్? యాక్చువల్గా dy by dx ఆఫ్ రూట్ ఎక్స్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. dy by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, 1 by 2 root x. ఓకేనా? ఈ ఫార్ములా ప్రకారం ఇక్కడ వేసుకుందాం. ఏం చేద్దాం? dy by dx of 2 root x means consider this total x అనుకోండి. దిస్ టోటల్ అనుకోండి x అనుకోండి ఫస్ట్. ఓకే, రూట్ x అనుకోండి. టోటల్లీ రూట్ x థింక్ చేయండి. రూట్ x ట్రీట్ దెమ్ యాజ్ రూట్ x. ట్రీట్ అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? 1 by 2 root x కదా, 2x minus 3. ఓకే, ఈ టోటల్ రూట్ x అనుకున్నాను అనుకోండి. ఏమవుతుంది? రూట్ x ఈక్వల్స్ టు d by dx of root x equals to 1 by 2 root x. అంటే d by dx of 2x minus 3. ఓకేనా? is equals to, so differentiate చేయండి. అగైన్ ఇక్కడ x ఉంటే ఓకే, కానీ x కాక ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంది కదా, ఓన్లీ x ఉంటే ఓకే. ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి? ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ dy by dx ఆఫ్ 2x minus 3. ఓకేనా? x అంటే ఉందంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గా మన ఇంటికి ఎవరు వచ్చారు, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం ఉంటే ఓకే, వీకెండ్. ఓకేనా? ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మన తమ్ముడు అని అనుకోండి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గా మనం ఉంటే మన రూమ్ లో మనం ఉంటే ఓకే, కంఫర్టబుల్. కానీ వాళ్ళు ఉంటే నో కంఫర్టబుల్ ఫీల్ కాదు. కాబట్టి ఏం చేస్తారు? వాళ్ళని బయట వచ్చేదాకా ఏదో ఒకటి చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. లైక్ సమ్ గేమ్స్ ఆడడం కానీ, సమ్ గేమింగ్ అంటే వాళ్ళు కొట్టడం పెట్టడం సంథింగ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ ఉంటే వదిలేసేయాలి. ఎక్స్ ఎప్పుడు ఎవరున్నా మళ్ళీ ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ ఇవ్వాలి. దీన్ని ఏమంటారు? ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ అంటారు. ఏమంటారు దీన్ని? ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ అంటారు. ఏమంటారు? ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ అంటారు. ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ మన రూమ్ లో మనం తప్ప ఎవరున్నా మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ అంటే మనం, ఎక్స్ తప్ప ఇంకెవరున్నా దాన్ని వాళ్ళని ఎలగొట్టని ట్రై చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. సో మనం డిఫరెన్స్ చేస్తాం అందుకే. సో ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ dy by dx ఆఫ్ దీనికి మాత్రం ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఏముంది? 2x minus 3. దాని ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఇంటూ సేమ్ ప్లస్ dy by dx ఆఫ్ ఇదంతా మళ్ళీ x అనుకోండి. దీన్ని కూడా ట్రీట్ చేయండి. ట్రీట్ దెమ్ యాజ్ x. రూట్ x లా ట్రీట్ చేయండి. ఇదంతా రూట్ x లా ట్రీట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? మళ్ళీ ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ కదా. సో 1 by 2 root 7 minus 3x. 7 minus 3x. మరి దీనికి ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ d by dx of 7 minus 3x. ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్. ఓకే, d by dx of 7 minus 3x. ఓకే, సో రాసి చూడండి. d by dx of x power n is equals to n into x power n minus 1. So d by dx of x is equals to power 1 పెట్టుకోవాలి, power 1 పెట్టుకోవాలి. So 1 into x power 1 minus 1, that is 1 into x power 0, that is 1 into 1 equals to 1. Okay, and the a power 0 is 1. Anything like x power 0 is always x power 0 equals to 1. That's why 1 into 1 is 1. So d by dx of x equals to 1. ఇక్కడ స్ప్లిట్ చేయాలి, రాస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ. Many tools. Now dy by dx is equals to dy by dx వచ్చింది. dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 into root over 2x minus 3 into d by dx of 2 పక్క పెట్టాలి. 2 పక్క పెట్టేసి d by dx of x minus d by dx of 3 plus 1 by 2 root 7 minus 3x into d by dx of first ఇక్కడ కాన్స్టెంట్ పక్క పెట్టాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఇది రైట్. d by dx of 7 minus 3 పక్క పెట్టి d by dx of x right. ఇంకోటి d by dx of constant equals to 0, means d by dx of 1 equals 0, d by dx of 2 equals 0. Okay, అలా any constant means constant ఏంటి? constant terms. Constant means 1 2 3 so on up to all the constant. So d by dx of any constant is 0. Okay, now dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2x minus 3 into 2 d by dx ఎంత? d by dx of x is equals to 1. Okay, d by dx equals to 1 minus d by dx of constant. d by dx of constant means 3. So any constant is 0 plus 1 by 2 root 7 minus 3x into d by dx of any constant is 0. Okay, 0 minus 3 into 1 d by dx is 1. Okay, now the value is dy by dx is equals to 1. 2 ones are 2 cancel, so it will be 1 by root 2x minus 3 minus 0 is 0. So plus 1 by 2 root 7 minus 3x into plus into minus 0, plus into minus 3. So answer will be minus 3. Why? Because దీనికి వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, ఇంటూ కదా మల్టిప్లికేషన్. సో 0 1 into 0 0 1 minus 3. ఓకే, minus 3 plus into minus multiply పైన కాబట్టి multiplication. So answer is 3. This is the value. dy by dx equals to 1 by 2x minus 3 by this is the dy by dx value. dy by dx. Okay, this is the dy by dx value. Next question. This is the question. Y equals solution for this. Y is equals to x square minus 3 into 4x cube plus 1. So differentiate with respect to x. So then dy by dx is equals to dy dx of x minus 3 into 4x cube plus 1. So it is in the form of, actually it is in the form of this total. It is in the form of d by dx of u into v. d by dx of u into, it is in the form of d by dx of u into v. Okay, it is in the form of d by dx of u into v. Okay, na? Are you getting? So u equals to x square minus 3, v equals to 4x cube plus 1. So d by dx of u into v, formula means u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. This is the formula what we are going to apply now. So ఇది అప్లై చేస్తాం మనం ఇప్పుడు. Are you getting? Okay na? ఇది అప్లై చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు. It is in the form of d by dx of u into v. ఇది u and ఇది v. u equals x square minus 3, v equals to 4x cube plus 1. So apply చేస్తే d by dx of x cube minus 3 into 4x cube plus 1. 4x cube plus 1. So first y రాసి చేద్దాం. dy by dx రాసి చేద్దాం. dy by dx is equals to first u. u అంటే x square minus 3 ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు into d by dx of v. What is v? 4x cube plus 1 plus what is v? What is v value? v equals to 4x cube plus 1 into d by dx of u, x square minus 3. x square minus 3. Then dy by dx is equals to x square minus 3 into dy dx of 4x cube means dy dx of 4x cube. So put 4 aside, put పక్క పెట్టేసి dy dx of x cube 4 dividend చేయాలి plus dy dx of 1 again plus 4x cube plus 1 into dy x square, dy dx of x square minus dy dx of plus dy dx of minus 3. So answer will be dy by dx is equals to dy by dx equals to x square minus 3 into 4 into dy by dx of x cube means formula ఇక్కడ ఉంది. What is the formula means? d by dx of x cube is equals to actually n అనుకోవాలి. n equals to n into x power n minus 1. So d by dx of x power 3 means 3 into x power 3 minus 1, that is 3 into x square. So 3 into x square, d by dx of x cube means 3 into x square plus d by dx of constant is 0. d by dx of 1 is equals to 0. Constant is 0. So 0 plus 4x cube plus 1 into d by dx of x square is d by dx of x square is equals to similar formula n into 2 into x power 2 minus 1, that is 2 into x, 2 minus 1 is 1, that is plus 1 means into this total into 2x divided x of constant is 0, okay. Now dy by dx is equals to 2x minus 3 into 3 for the 12 x square plus 4x cube into 2, that is 4 to the 8 x power 4, x cube into x power 4 plus 1 into 2x. Now dy by dx is equals to x square into 12, nothing is there, 1, ఏం లేకపోతే 1 పెట్టుకోండి, 1 into 12 is 12 x power 4, ఎందుకు x square into x power 4, okay, minus ఏం లేకపోతే plus into minus 12 3 is 36 x square plus 8 x power 4 plus 2x. Now dy by dx is equals to 12 plus 8 20 x power 4, okay, minus x cube ledu 36 x square plus 2x. This is the final differentiation value dy by dx. This is the final differentiation value dy by dx. Okay, this is final differentiation value. I hope you got this. Okay, అందమైన అనుకుంటున్నా. Okay na? Next, we are moving to next question. Now this is an exam. This is May 2012 question. Ax plus by c x plus d, May 2012 question. That is solution y equals to ax plus b by cx plus d, y equals to ax plus b by cx plus d, okay. Now it is in the form of y equals to u by v. So u is equals to ax plus b, v equals to cx plus d, okay. Now differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx is equals to d by dx of dy by dx is equals to d by dx of ax plus b by cx plus d. So it will be dy by dx is equals to formula d by dx of u by v rule formula. D by dx of u by v rule formula is d by dx of u by v is equals to v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v by v square by v square. This is the formula of v into d by dx of u minus u into dy by dx of v. This is the formula. Okay, this is the total formula. Okay, are you ready? Now let us go here. Dy by dx is equals to v. What is v here? V equals to c dx. Cx plus d into d by dx of u. What is u? ax plus b minus ఈ ఫార్ములా చేయాలి. v అంటే cx plus d, d by dx of u. u అంటే ax plus b. u అంటే ఏంటి? ax plus b into u అంటే ax plus b. ax plus b into d by dx of u. Sorry, v. What is v? cx plus d. cx plus d. cx plus d. Now dy by dx is equals to cx plus d into dy by dx of ax plus b. Split చేయండి. dy by dx of ax అంటే d by dx of ax అంటే a. So c v is cx plus d into dy by dx of u. u is, what is u? ax plus b minus, what is u? ax plus b into dy by dx of v is cx plus d by v square by v square by v square. What is v? cx plus d whole square. Okay, cx plus d whole square. Okay, cx plus d whole square. Now dy by now dy by dx is equals to cx plus d into split చేయండి ax bx ని. సో d by dx of a ఎలా స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తారు అంటే a కాన్స్టెంట్, a పక్క పెట్టండి. సో dy dx of x plus dy dx of b minus ఇక్కడ బ్రాకెట్ ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ ax plus b హోల్ బ్రాకెట్. ఓకేనా? ఎందుకంటే ఇది సపరేట్ గా, ఇది సపరేట్ పార్ట్, రెండు సపరేట్ పార్ట్స్ ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, b ఇంటూ సి పక్క పెట్టేసేయండి. ఓకేనా? నెంబర్ అది న్యూమరికల్ dy by dx of x plus dy dx of d by v square that is cx plus d whole square. Now I'm writing here d by dx of x is equals to 1. d by dx of x equals to 1. d by dx of b is equals to 0. Okay, and d by dx of d also 0. Constant is 0. Okay, that is dy by dx is equals to cx plus d into a into dy by dx of x ఎంత 1. x is 1. 1 plus dy by dx of b is 0 minus whole bracket ax plus b into c. dy by dx of x ఎంత 1 plus dy by dx of d is 0. Okay, close braces. ఇక్కడ by cx plus d whole square. Then now dy by dx is equals to CAX, that is x కామన్ తీసుకుంటే AC, x పక్క వేసుకుంటే AC plus AD plus 0, don't count 0. Next minus AX into 1 is x పక్క పెట్టేసుకుంటే AC, ఎందుకంటే AC AX into C plus BC 0, BC plus 0. Now dy by dx is equals to xAC plus AD minus x into AC plus in minus BC. So plus xAC minus xAC cancel. Now dy by dx is equals to ADO by here. The value here, division by total, Cx plus D whole square. So dy by dx is equals to xAC plus AD minus xAC plus into minus BC, here also plus into minus. Okay, xAC plus AD minus plus into minus xAC plus into minus BC by Cx plus D whole square by Cx plus D whole square plus AC xAC minus xAC cancel. Now answer will be, what is that? The answer will be dy by dx is equals to AD minus BC by Cx plus D whole square. This is the answer. Okay, dy by dx equals to AD minus BC by Cx plus D whole square. Okay, this is the answer. So I'm ready here. Run it like this. Answer రాస్తున్నా. The answer will be, to final answer, dy by dx is equals to AD minus BC by Cx plus D whole square. Cx plus D whole square. Cx plus D whole square. Okay, this is the AD minus BC by Cx plus D whole square formula answer. Okay, this is the final answer.